Welcome back, everyone. I hope you've all been out collecting plenty of coins this past week. Well, all different types of collections have their own vocabulary and even buzzwords that to many people outside of that collecting community can seem a bit strange or even hard to understand. Our fun little hobby of collecting elongated coins is no different, and we often use terms like zinker, copper, BU, circulated, and so many more that we've gone over in some of our previous videos. But today we're about to add a brand new term to our repertoire, and that is speed rolling. So why don't we head out to one of the parks, we're gonna find a machine, I'm gonna explain exactly what speed rolling is, how it works, and is it gonna benefit you in your collection. So let's get things rolling. So what exactly is speed rolling? Well, it's kind of a hack. It's a way to preload all your coins inside the machine so that when you start pressing them, you can press the entire set all in one shot and not have to pause and reload the machine for each design. Even if you've only used a penny press a few times, you pretty much know the process here. Turn the handle to select the first design you want, insert your coins and or dollar bills depending on the type of machine you're using, and then start turning the handle to press the design. Once the coin is done, it'll drop down into the little tray at the bottom, and you just start the whole process over again for each additional coin in that set. Now, if you're only pressing one set of coins, speed rolling may not really save you much time, but we're going to put that to the test shortly. First off, I do want to mention that speed rolling does not work with all different types of penny machines, so you do have to be very careful. Otherwise, you run the risk of jamming it up with all your precious pennies inside and losing out on the money you were using as payment to use the machine. The electronic machines are all automated, so there's really no way to speed roll with those style of machines. Many collectors I've spoken with have said that the most common style of machine that will allow for speed rolling are these penny collector or CTM group style machines, which I will admit are probably the most common ones I've come across on my travels throughout the United States. All right, we found a machine that I should be able to speed roll on, but first I want to do a little bit of a test. I'm going to press a full set, but we're going to do it the standard method with doing one design at a time. I want to time it, and then we'll speed roll and we'll compare and see which one is faster. For speed rolling, here's what you gotta do. Pick your first design, it doesn't matter, it can be any of them. Once you pick that and you have it all set up on the machine, you're gonna insert your first payment. Wait a few seconds to make sure you can hear the coin drop down into the slider right before it's gonna get pressed. But now here's the important thing, do not turn the handle, do not change that initial design. Go ahead and insert your second payment. Then you're gonna hear the second coin drop down into place. Continue that for 2 more designs so that you now theoretically should have 4 coins all in a line ready to be pressed. Then start cranking and they'll individually drop in place and you'll get to press all 4 designs right in a row without stopping to have to reload. Let's test it out. Now, on a quick side note, if you have used one of these new style 4Design machines that have recently been converted where they're preloaded with pennies, and you choose to pay with either a debit card, credit card, or a digital form of payment like Apple Pay or Google Wallet, when you do so, the machines are usually set up to charge you for the full 4Design set amount. And then all of a sudden, within a few seconds, you will hear the machine drop 4 coins down from the hopper into the slide. And then you're just going to start turning the handle to press the entire set all in one shot. Boom! You have been speed rolling already, and you probably didn't even realize it. Here's just a quick comparison of the two sets we pressed using the different methods. As you can see, at least at this machine, they are basically identical. I was worried that speed rolling may have resulted in some misrolled designs, but thankfully, that was not the case in our test today. As you can see, speed rolling will certainly save you a little bit of time, but to be honest, if you're only pressing one set of coins at a machine, I'm not sure exactly how beneficial it may be for you. Plus, I've heard from many collectors that speed rolling can also increase the chances that you're going to get misrolled designs just due to the machine not dropping the coin down into the die correctly. So there are plenty of pluses and minuses that you do need to take into account before you decide to try speed rolling the next time you're out pressing some new coins. Now, for my own personal collection, because I usually only press one set, and I want to try and avoid getting any misrolled designs whenever possible, I think I'm going to stick with the standard method. But I really did enjoy trying this new option out, even though it's not something that I'm probably going to continue to do. I can also see where it could be beneficial to some other collectors. Now, I hope you enjoyed checking this out. Be sure to let me know down in the comments below, have you ever tried speed rolling on any of your previous adventures, or is this something completely new and maybe you're going to try it out the next time you're out pressing some coins? I'd love to hear all about it. Thank you for joining me again this week as always. Now get out there and press some pennies. Take care. I'll see you next time.